Honestly, I'm not a very big Shah Rukh Khan fan, but I will definitely be a blatant liar if I don't acknowledge the fact that he's such a personality in India that whether you love him, you hate him, you just cannot afford to ignore him. One of the biggest superstars of Bollywood, not just of our times, but I think since the time of its inception. Romantic movies का बेताज बादशाह and someone who at 54 when delivers these romantic dialogues from his old movies, many a heart still skip a beat. But, and do I love this word? Nobody listens to a poor philosopher. एंड जो लोग दुनिया में कुछ नहीं करते वही लोग कमाल करते हैं. These are the words you just don't expect coming out from the mouth of someone who has literally achieved it all in the glitzy and glamorous world of Bollywood. Now, I don't know how many of you know this, but 5 years ago, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan became Dr. Shah Rukh Khan. And therefore, I stumbled upon the speech where he was receiving his honorary doctorate from the University of Edinburgh. Now, apart from the fact that the introductory speaker was laughing in a very funny manner while looking at him for no reason whatsoever.
An hour or so ago, I was privileged to be part of an honorary degree ceremony.
And that the cameramen, like his brethren around the world, had this strange fascination of focusing on the faces of these blushing girls. Apart from this one, she found the whole thing boring, and I don't know why. Now, this speech is very interesting and very different because he communicates his life lesson through the titles of his own movie. So, here are three gems that I found out in his speech which present a very different, very intellectual, and very interesting side of the King of Hearts.
A nice or romantic kind is an absolute prerequisite to a happy and successful life. Don't ever treat your little insanities as if they're aberrations that ought to be hidden from the rest of the world. Acknowledge them and use them to define your own way of living, the only life you have. All the most beautiful people in the world, the most creative, the ones who led revolutions, who discovered and invented things, did so because they embraced their own idiosyncrasies. There's no such thing as normal. Normal is just another word for lifeless.
It really took me a while to grasp the whole sense of it, but dude, isn't it right? You don't need to be a second someone. Nobody does. Nobody, at least worth knowing. Even Joffrey proclaimed himself to be the first of kind. Now imagine Virat hell-bent to be a clone of Sachin. Sachin that of Gavaskar. It just doesn't happen that way. Even if you take idiosyncrasy at its literal sense, it means a particular way of behaving, thinking, etc. Especially when it is unusual. We all are beautiful in our unusual ways. Embrace it. Because if we don't fit in this world, we are definitely here to create a new one. Now imagine in 2020 someone telling Shah Rukh Khan that he's ugly and not chocolatey enough to star in a romantic movie his whole life. Well, believe it or not, this did happen in the early years of his career when a director friend of his told him that he actually doesn't fit the bill and therefore should try some negative roles as well. I don't know about other people, but this dude was surely acting out of his own idiosyncrasies. Now, what happens next, we all know. He did acted in these movies, and boy, were these movies worth a watch. Now, as he says again, I quote, fear means being shit scared and still jumping on every opportunity that you have got. Live by your fears, and everything that can go wrong will go wrong. It is also okay not to know where you will be in 20 years because, anyway, people who did it are bankers or engineers. Funny, but practical as you know what. I sometimes wonder how much our outer personalities are a true reflection of ourselves, our deep inner selves, where even we are fearful to venture sometimes. I know humans are social animals, but I love the way that the animal part of our brain is unleashed through the smartphones. Now, I had never imagined that a star of his stature, his huge fan following, people really flooding Mannat every day just to get a selfie, would read social media comments. And even if he does, I had never ever imagined that he would make any sense out of it. But as he mentions in his speech, that the only comment that he could read out in that August gathering was that he was an old, desperate star who swings both the ways in his crappy movies. Now that is rough for someone like him, but it still misses the spices of the real world. Thank God. Well, these labels are there everywhere. Whether we are starting out, we are in the middle of the journey, or we are at the top of the food chain. But what matters is what we make out of these labels and where do we end. For what it is worth, it really fascinates me that a boy from Delhi is now the king of so many hearts. For those of you who want to have the experience from the horse's own mouth, can find the link in the description. Let's end it up with Shah Rukh's own in one of my favorite movies, Chamatkar. As he says, and I quote again, no matter how bad it gets, life is a miracle we all are searching for. So use every resource that you have got. Until then, you live a very happy and successful life. Don't bother much about the labels. Enjoy the speech and adios.